Namaskar. Sexual health related problems have become more and more common these days. People are neither physically fit nor mentally at peace. Sexual health encompasses physical health, mental health, emotional health, social health in relation to sexuality. Issues relating to any of these factors can all contribute to health problems like reproductive system ailments, infertility issues, gynecological problems, low libido, and sexual dysfunction, and so on. Hence, it is very crucial to take out the time for yourself as well as take out time for your partner to work on these problems for your well-being and the well-being of your partner. Yoga can help you to work on these problems. Yoga asanas can help deeply massaging your reproductive and sexual system, and this promotes in release of your happy and healthy hormones. Today, I will share one powerful asana which is extremely simple to do but has tremendous benefit which can boost your sexual health. Asana Viparit Karni. Viparit Karni is known to boost the health of reproductive organs in men as well as women. This one asana improves the blood circulation around the pelvic area since it is an inverted pose and which is very crucial for sexual function. Moreover, it strengthens the core, pelvic and lower abdomen muscles. It tones your glutes and improves stamina. All of this together help improve your sexual health. Now understand how to do. Lie down on your back with the hands on the side. Exhaling with the help of your hand, slowly raise your legs and the back muscles. Hold your body with the hand to support your back and stay in this position. Breathe normally and maintain this pose for 2 to 4 seconds and later on up to 2 minutes. All this you should do at your comfort level, but you should do it regularly. While inhaling, gently lower your hips and come back to the starting position and relax. Throughout this posture, when you are going up and when you are coming down, take the support of both your hands so that you don't bang your back to the ground. So do it gently, but it's a beautiful posture. Although it is a very beneficial asana, but people suffering from cardiac problem, hypertension, spinal disorders, high myopia and glaucoma should not do this posture. Some people may find it difficult to do this Viparit Karni in the beginning. So they can do this simple variation which is as effective as the asana. So let's understand this. Place the mat in such a way that the length is 90 degrees towards the wall. Now lie down on the mat with the knees bent and feet closer to the wall. Keep your hands at the sides. Lift your feet and place them against the wall. Do this in such a manner that the lower legs are parallel to the ground. Now, while inhaling, lift the hips up. Take the pressure of your foot with the ball so that you can lift the hips up from the floor. And also, while doing this, ensure that you contract your hip muscles. Here also, you can use your hand to support your hips. This topsy-turvy position, where your body is absolutely closer to the wall, legs are up and folded, and hips are up above the ground with the support of your hand. It's a beautiful posture. In this posture, start breathing with abdomen. Breathe out, pull your abdomen in, contract your pelvic muscle and stay there. Breathe in and relax your abdomen in. So this is how you go on doing this to see that entire pelvic muscle is totally in that position, relaxed and exercised. Every muscle gets relaxed. All the internal organs also get relaxed they get good amount of circulation and they are much stronger and better in their functioning. Now exhaling, relax the contraction and come back to the starting position. Regular practice of Viprit Kardi will help tone the sexual organ, sexual energy would be channelized, and that would help in proper functioning of sexual organ. So practice this effective asana daily in the morning. This would improve your sexual and overall health. Yoga, after all, has a holistic approach. Yoga asanas can help to improve your body strength, and it would really help to keep your mind stress free. You are using breathing rhythm always. Breath and mind, they always go together. And when you are breathing normally, you are still focusing on your abdomen and seeing the movement of the abdomen so that your mind is focused. Mind will have no tension, no anxiety. And when you would do this asana in this fashion, as mentioned, it would really benefit. Its immense beneficial value will make your life much healthier, much better. Suppose you cannot do asana in the morning because you are busy in many other activities, then you do this asana before lunch. That time also your stomach is empty, or before tea time, or before dinner. But do this asana. If you could do this asana twice or thrice in a day, that would really work wonders in the overall health of your body, as well as will help you tremendously in sexual incapacity, and so life would become beautiful and happy. Happy hormones would be secreted and you would make your life much better. Namaskar.